kisses.
Good headbutt.
Good kisses.
Kisses. Good kisses, Ace. A little nibble.
No.
Oh. Kisses. Good kisses, Ace.
Good kisses, buddy.
Good kisses, boy. Man, what did you do? Did you eat it? Headbutt pressure.
Give her some kisses. Good boy.
You got a friend, Precious. Oh, getting a little bit too wild with that headbutting. Oh, he's nibbled on the ear. He had that in the mouth. Oh, getting the mouth again. I think they're best friends.